Envision a realm where the creation of web applications transcends the expertise of seasoned developers, becoming a venture open to anyone with a spark of creativity. This is the essence of Bolt.DIY. This open-source platform serves as a creative hub for innovators, equipping them with all the necessary tools to construct full-stack web applications utilizing their preferred language models. Whether you are harnessing the capabilities of OpenAI, the insightful responses of Anthropic, or the imaginative outputs of Allama, Bolt.DIY is here to support you. It goes beyond mere coding. It facilitates the transformation of your ideas into concrete digital experiences with just a few straightforward prompts. The community-driven aspect of Bolt.DIY guarantees ongoing evolution and enhancement, establishing it as a dynamic resource for the inquisitive. What distinguishes Bolt.DIY is its user-friendly nature and adaptability. Picture outlining a concept on a napkin, and then effortlessly converting that sketch into a fully operational front-end simply by sharing the image. This is the enchantment that Bolt.DIY offers. By incorporating advanced AI models, it allows users to seamlessly translate visual inspirations into code. Its intuitive interface and strong back-end support make it a preferred choice for both novices and experts, thereby democratizing the web application development process. Moreover, Bolt.DIY represents more than just a tool. It embodies a vibrant community. It is a flourishing ecosystem of developers, designers, and enthusiasts who collaborate, exchange ideas, and expand the horizons of what is achievable. Each line of code crafted and every feature created reflects the collective brilliance of its users. It is a space where learning and innovation coexist, making the journey as rewarding as the final outcome. In summary, Bolt.DIY serves as a conduit between creativity and technology. It empowers users to take an idea, regardless of its simplicity, and evolve it into something extraordinary. When utilizing Bolt.DIY with the Gemini 2.0 Flash thinking model, it can generate any web app frontend simply by sharing a screenshot, showcasing its remarkable capabilities.